Welcome back guys. Today we are going to talk about a drone that I have ordered from an international website. This is a pocket toy drone guys, so don't expect that it will fly higher than 100 meters or above. Guys, you can take a look at this drone. The drone is pretty small, and if we talk about the build quality of the drone, I will recommend that please don't buy this drone because the build quality is very cheap. At the front section of the drone you will see a power button, which is also very cheap like the drone. Two of its sides are covered by 4 LEDs, 2 LEDs with red light and 2 LEDs with white light are embedded on the drone. If we talk about the build quality of the blades, it is also made up of very cheap plastic guys. At the back of the drone there is a battery compartment in which battery is inserted. You will also get a battery charger with this drone, through which you can charge this battery. At the drone's front section you will see a camera by which you can record videos and take photos with an app called UFO. You will not get a drone controller with this drone. You have to control it with your phone. Guys, if you were watching this video from India, I wanna tell you that in India drone import is restricted. So if you wanna purchase this drone from India, you have to purchase it on your own risk. Customs may seal this drone at their office, or they may free up the drone and the drone gets to your home. This totally depends on the customs. So if you are buying, buy at your own risk. The drone model is on your screen guys. You can see the drone model. This is my first experience with a toy drone guys. I have ordered from an international website, and believe me guys, it is very bad experience. I will never buy this type of drones from international websites or any other place. I have flied this drone 2 or 3 times guys. After that the gyroscope in this or some other feature of this drone get tampered and the drone is not flying. And I'm sorry guys, I can't make a video on the flight test of this drone because before making the video the drone is totally tampered. Now I'm going to throw it in the dustbin guys. So if you want to buy this drone, please stay away from it. Don't buy this type of drones. If you wanna buy drones, I will give some purchase link in my description. From there you can buy more cheaper drones and more higher quality drones. And please don't buy this type of drone. And this video is only to warn you guys that please don't order this type of drones. This is totally a time waste, and this is completely a time waste guys. This is the cheapest product that I have ordered from any website guys. I am very disappointed from this product. Thank you for watching this video guys. See you in the next video. And please stay connected and please subscribe this channel guys, because we are planning to make more cheap technology gadgets to bring in front of you guys. So please subscribe and stay connected.